Meaning of illustrious.
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 Illustrious. The term illustrious refers to a person or thing that is highly distinguished, renowned, and celebrated for their achievements, excellence, or notable qualities. It implies a sense of grandeur, respect, and admiration towards the individual or object in question. An illustrious person may be someone who has made significant contributions to their field, achieved great success, or demonstrated exceptional talent or skills. It is a term that evokes a sense of honor, prestige, and high esteem, and is often used to describe people or things that are worthy of recognition and acclaim.